Hello, this is Kimo, and you are watching Mix, the beat of our culture. Actually, yung span of 3 years na yun while making Kimo, I worked with Sir Jonathan Manalo, Sir Rox, and also Jeremy G. Shout out sa'yo. And ayun, very challenging kasi may mga certain demands yung mga songs. May mga specific demands rather. Yung mga songs na kailangan yung isang song, for example, yung isang song na to mag-work lang siya sa isang producer or sa isang arranger. So, ganun namin siya tinrate. And also, yung process niya kasi very human since yung mga songs namin is based sa mga personal experiences ko and also experiences ng ibang tao. So, doon namin nirelate and para mas ma-convey pa namin yung message na we are all human beings and I feel you feel me, gano'n. Actually, nag-start siya kasi ang isa sa mga childhood inspiration ko talaga yan, sila Sir Rico J, Sir Gary V, Earth, Wind, and Fire. Parang growing up, listening to those kind of music, syempre hindi ko siya na-copy, na-emulate ko siya, na-embody ko yung mga ganong elements ng music and tinry kong ilagay sa sarili kong music. Dahil yun nga, parang commemoration na rin sa kanila na produkto nila ako and yeah, na-inspire ako nila. Yes, ayun, yung mga fun fact about me na konti lang ang nakakaalam. Bago ako naging singer, naging dancer ako and for quite some time naging din ako, tattoo artist. Isa ako sa mga batang artist during that time. And yeah, pumasok ako sa music industry dahil yung father ko was a former member of Singing Insinuators. Music talaga, nakalakhan ko talaga siya. And bakit, nung kinalakhan ko, bakit hindi ko itry din? Since, yun nga, produkto din talaga ako ng music and bread and butter ng tatay ko. Yung shelter namin, yung food na kinakain namin is produkto ng music. But hindi ko itry. No, yung boxing naman, actually lang siya eh. Parang naging hobby ko siya. Then, nung nagkaroon ako ng deeper interest sa boxing, tinry ko mag-amateur. So, lang siya, parang face lang siya. Pero, nahon ko naman siya. And, doon ko rin nakuha yung discipline and ayun, yung fundamentals kung paano maging isang well-made na tao through boxing. Actually, hidden talent. Pwede din, na secret muna. Baka may i-review. Ayun, I'm home. Actually, hindi yan yung first na working title nung song na yun. Kasi yung title dapat nung song na yun, name ng ex ko. So, parang mas, napag-isipan namin na paano mas magiging, general yung message nung kanta. Yung song kasi na yun, I wrote that song when I was in a long-distance relationship. And, ayun, doon ko na feel na yung love can be a home. And through that song, doon ko na-express kung gaano ko pinakita yung love ko sa isang tao. Yun, parang siya, correlative naman siya since it's all about discipline and waking up early and starting fresh. ayun, dun ko siya nakuha and dun ko lahat hinuhugot yung mga ano, yung mga ginagawa ko ngayon na yeah, for example, gising ka ng umaga, pag may call time, kailangan on point ka, bawal ka mali. And ayun, from that simplest gesture, napapractice mo na siya. Siguro, nung finals week. As in, ano na talaga, nung time na yun, wala na akong boses, wala na akong, parang, feeling ko wala na akong boses na may i-showcase sa maraming tao dahil yun nga, yung nakikita lang ng tao yung parang 10% ng process na ginagawa namin during Idol Philippines pero hindi nila nakikita yung kabuuan na kung ano yung pinagdadaanan namin physically, psychologically, and also emotionally since pandemic during that time. And aside dun sa competition na yun, iniisip ko yung mga mahal mo sa buhay kung kamusta sila since nasa kami, naka-locked in taping kami and bawal kaming makapag-interact with other people na hindi involved dun sa Idol Philippines. Kaya yun, through video chat and thing. Then yun sa competition naman, going back, wala na akong boses noon at that time. And wala, nilet go ko na lang yung competition. Sabi ko, di na ako may paglaban, di na ako may pag-compete. Ang gagawin ko na lang magpa-perform and to sing sa maraming tao na this is Kimo. And thank God, nagawa ko naman siya and the rest is history. Kung sa movie siya, pwede rom-com and title siguro C'est la vie. Yeah. Actually parang hip-hop type na movie. Ganun ko siya niisa. Tapos ang setting niya Manila. Ayun. O kaya pwede ding siyang yung mga comedy tapos mga sila. Parang Three Musketeers pero street version. Ganun ko siya niisip. Tapos setting Manila. Tapos ako sila sa Manila. Chill spot ko kapag nagdi-debrief ako. Tawag ko dyan debriefing. Kapag after ko mag-perform, ganyan. Sa bahay ko. Sa may bundok. Kasi nakatira ako sa tabing bundok. So, after kong kumanta or after kong mag-work, yan, tambay na ako sa bahay niya. Tapos, may libre kaming doon. May libre kaming painting na napakalaki. Yung Sierra Madre. Nandun. Tapos, inom ka ng kape. Tapos, yun. Chill na sa akin. Marilaki. Maraming doon, coffee spots kung maghahanap kayo ng mga aesthetic and also scenic views ng Sierra Madre. Yun. Safe. Now, close your eyes, dry your tears. When there's nothing seems clear, you'll be safe here. Safe. Blue. Ito actually favorite ko to. Kung kilala niyo si Alan Stone. Alan Stone is one of the most, for me, one of the most outstanding soul singers out there. So he has a song called I'll Give You Blue. So it goes like this. Baby, I won't stop the rain, and I won't keep you dry when the shore feels far away, and I'll be by your side. And when the storms arrive, baby, I will shelter you. But when the sky is gray, I'll give you blue. Blue. Home! Siyempre.
Ayun na yun.
Yan. My latest song. Open the door, take me to your river. Just take my hands and let me serve you. From lips down to thighs, look at the stars in the sky. I have waited for this moment. I will be the man, be your man for the rest of your life. Baby, I'm home. Oh, baby, oh, my home. Please, baby, don't leave me. Finally, an everlasting love. Yeah, hello once again, this is Kimo, and I'm inviting you to stream my latest album, Kimo. Sa lahat po yan ng streaming platforms, and also I have a music video ng Kita Ko, Isayaw Mo Lang, and also ASAP every Sunday. And yeah, and if you want to hear me more, please follow my social media account, KHIM.